Today I'll show you how I use glass serving bowls and metal tea light holders from Dollar Tree to make 2 candle holders for your fall decor. First, I applied Fix-All adhesive to the top of one of my bowls. And I attached my second bowl. I made 3 of these and it totaled 6 bowls altogether. Next, I attached 2 of my globes, one on top of the other, using Fix-All adhesive, one on top of the other. Next, I covered the seams of my bowls using jeweled border stickers that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I used Fix-All adhesive to attach 2 tea light holders that I purchased at Dollar Tree to the tops of each one of my pieces, and I was done. And here's my final products. Thank you so much for watching. I have read your comments and I'm currently working on ways to improve my videos. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.